all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's kind of hating. Thanks for all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm cool with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't green on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know that a lot of you guys have been wondering about Little Red, the Corvette back here, my 1985 L98 Corvette project, and we do still have it. As you can see, I have all the doors. I have the back bumper taken off of the car right now, and she's just all tore apart right now. But basically, my plan for this car was I was going to drop off all the parts to one of our buddies, and he was going to paint it for us. But the whole situation that went down was we left it over there for a couple months. He didn't do anything with it. He didn't even touch the parts. So we decided to grab them and bring them back and just do it ourselves. And then we got busy with some other things, and garage space has been an issue, and just haven't been able to get our hands on the Corvette here. But this is an update video because we are now going to be dropping everything. Rexy, the WRX, is chilling where it's at. The Eclipse is chilling where it's at for now. And then Ticket the Mustang is chilling where it's at. And what we're gonna do is we're just dropping everything, and we're gonna start working on Little Red again. I know that a lot of you guys have been commenting and asking, and a lot of you guys do want to see more Corvette content here, and a lot of you guys subscribe to the channel because of that. So I'm gonna honor that. And I mean, I've had this car since I was 15 basically, and never really had it street legal to play around with it and looking good. So we're definitely gonna get started on that. Probably in one of the very next videos here, we'll start priming and painting the body panels that we have taken off the car, and then, you know, probably gonna assemble it from there, and just kind of prime the whole thing and paint it and do a whole bunch of stuff. But I'm just making this video to give you guys an update and to show you guys that Little Red here is now the priority on the channel. As you guys saw, the Dan Drives logo is an 85 C4 Corvette logo, and that is this car right here, guys. So this car is the mascot of the channel, and I know that we got away from it, and I apologize for that, but don't worry, guys. A lot more Corvette content on the way, so please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so that you guys don't miss out. And then, like I've previously mentioned in other videos, at 1,000 subscribers, I'm dropping an insane racing video between Ticket the Mustang and a Scat Pack Challenger. I did about 3 runs, got up to some pretty high speeds out in Mexico, obviously, and that video was a lot of fun to make. So hopefully we can get to 1,000 and I can drop that video and we can have some fun. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Just a real quick update video, but the very next couple of videos are going to be of this car here. So let's do this outro right for you guys, and we'll get Little Red doing some donuts here and burning some rubber.
I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
about it.